Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're going to be planting moringa seeds. So, let me show you. We got this package of moringa seeds from JM at the Nut House. She also sent us these, and we're going to be planting them in this because moringas need a long taproot. She sent the inoculant to add to it when you plant. And so today we're going to be planting moringa seeds. I'm going to plant several of them because we're going to try and have a giveaway at the gathering, the Deep South Homestead gathering on March 11th at Stone County Fairgrounds here in Wiggins, Mississippi. If I can get them up by then, we're going to have some plants, possibly some seeds, and other things to give away at our gathering. So Jen's going to have all the information. And if we can, we're going to have her talk a little bit. If not, she's going to just travel around and talk to people about moringa and a lot of other stuff. So, first off, I have some potting soil. We're going to take the potting soil. It's a little crazy working in here. I've got my seed in my hand. I'm going to finish filling this up. It's pretty much close to the top. She said make an indentation, put your seed in, and then we're going to cover it up. I'm going to stand it up where I can cover the seed. And we're going to water this. Okay, she says you have to get it moistened but not soaking wet. These have a spot in the bottom where it will drain. And I'm going to show you. We've got enough space behind our pots that I can stand these tall things up and they won't fall over. And so we're going to sit them in here, and if you can see this, I think it's 80 degrees. Almost. It's almost 80 and it's 9 o'clock in the morning. So, and you can see I'm in a t-shirt. We're going to show you where I'm going to stand them, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of the greenhouse right quick. It's looking awesome, guys. Here we have another pot. I'm finishing up, filling it up, because I forgot a step, of course. Make a little indentation. I had to go back and add the inoculant. You're going to add the inoculant, about a teaspoon per plant. And Jen says these seeds need to come in contact with the inoculant. So, there you go. I took and went over to our little faucet, sprinkled some water over them, and I'm standing them in the corners in between our pots. And this is our rain catchment barrel, and I'm sitting them in between pots. And I'm leaning them to the side. I'll show you that. They're at an angle so they will not fall over as they grow. Then I'll find a way to stand them up a little more. But we're hoping once they start getting very big, they are sold or given away. And we have one here. Okay. Here we have some of the potatoes that Danny put in. Just a few of them took and came up, but we have a few potatoes in containers. You can see we have all these tomatoes and all these tomatoes. My microgreens, I come by and eat some off of them. Whatever I planted in there did not come up, but some of the radishes, some of the greens did come up, and the radishes are pretty bitter because I've eaten some this morning already, a little bit of a bitter taste. Danny's sweet potato slips have not started kicking it off yet, so you see the ones he planted. They've got little, I guess I can show you. These are starting to grow. Before long, we'll have some green stuff in here in this hot, humid place. Some of my stevia little bit of herbs here and there have grown. I still have them. They're not growing the best. Our little pineapple's still hanging in there, but I don't think it made it through the cold. We'll see. Stevia big time back there. If anybody wants strawberry plants, we've just started on our strawberry beds. We should have done this in October. This is February, but we're going to have lots of plants. Already on Etsy, I put up probably 100 plants. We're going to have probably several hundred by the time we get through with 2 beds. The aloe vera's doing great. We lost the Malabar spinach and may have lost the tea tree to the cold. We're going to wait and see if the tea tree comes back out and the Malabar spinach. Jalapeno peppers doing okay. I have several. The plant's not the best in the world, but still producing. Bell peppers, got 2 or 3 on it. And the tomatoes, somewhere, we have little tomatoes on some of these. Not seeing them right off, but these things are getting to be beautiful, beautiful plants. You see? See how pretty these tomatoes are looking. So, if you guys would like Moringa, come to the Deep South Homestead Spring Gathering. We're probably going to have, you see how many seeds are here? I think we'll have a few seeds for sale. We're hoping to have some plants. And if you like this, Jen's going to be there. You can talk to her about Moringa. The benefits, how to plant, how to harvest, all that good stuff. So, thank you from Crazy Days.